For a successful online business, you must have a website, and for a website, you must have a hosting server. Unfortunately, all the hosting server companies in the world charge you monthly or annual recurring fees, and they charge you more for SSL, for malware protection, DDoS protection, hack protection, and they charge you more for premium support and all. But this ends today. But before I tell you the good news, there's more good news. Look, you have to spend even more money on softwares and trainings to actually build a successful and a profitable online business. But again, I told you, this ends today because you're going to get everything. You're going to get all your websites, unlimited number of websites hosted in our lightning fast server, the same server we use to host all our websites, all our clients' websites, customers' websites, and all our premium applications where we have tens of thousands of users and customers. All right, you're going to get that hosting server for one-time price. But that's not all. You're going to get SSL certificates for all your websites, and you're going to get premium customer support, malware protection, DDoS protection, hack protection, all premium, and the next generation, the most newbie-friendly control panel ever built. But that's not all. I have the best of the best news, that in the bonus section you'll get all the trainings and plugins and softwares you need to build a successful, profitable website and online business. Everything you need is on this page, and all for a one-off price. And this is a product launch, and we are super excited, and that's why we are offering so much. So when the launch is over, everything goes back to normal. All these bonuses will be removed and the price will go back to monthly or annual recurring. So as long as the page is up, you're seeing this video, the timer is still ticking and the buy button is still active, this deal is there for you. So I highly recommend, if you really want to build a successful online business, successful profitable websites without paying monthly or annual recurring fees, and get everything you need for a successful online business for a one-off price, then you should click the buy button somewhere near this video and get this deal right here, right now, without any delay. As long as this video is up, this website is up, the timer is ticking, and the buy button is still active, you're going to get this deal, and it's very, very short time. Once the timer hits 0, the price will go up. With every sale, the price will go up. And when the launch ends, the timer hits 0 and the launch ends, you know what happens? The price goes back to normal, monthly or annual recurring. So yes, I highly recommend you should get this awesome deal right here, right now. All your websites in one hosting server, lightning fast, most reliable, most newbie friendly control panel with all the SSL certificates. SSL certificates for all your websites, and DDoS, malware attack, hack protection, and hack protection, and all the softwares and trainings you need to build a successful online business, all for a one-off price. So please don't delay. Get the lowest price right now. Whatever price you see on the buy button is the lowest price right now, and the price is rising with time, and the price is rising in every sale. So go get this deal right now, and I want to see you inside. Take care. Bye-bye.